Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve the 4 cats puzzle. This puzzle was designed and made by Jean-Claude Constantin, a famous French puzzle designer who lives in Germany. Difficulty level of this puzzle is 7 out of 10 on the Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the goal of the puzzle is to fit all 4 blue cats inside the frame. If you take a closer look at the puzzle, you will find that we have 4 cats here, and if you put one cat on top of another, you will find that we have 3 exactly the same cats. Actually, not exactly the same, they are a little bit different. Like this dark color cat is a little bit smaller than the rest, and this one is the tiniest one. And when you try to put them inside the frame, you will find that you can easily put 2 cats inside, you can add 3 cats inside, but then there is not enough space for the last one. You can try to rearrange them many times and try to find another positions, but in most of the times you will end up with 1 cat that is out of the frame and you have to start over. Like right now I can put only 2 inside. There is enough space for a small one, but there is not enough space for the large cat. This puzzle is made from laser cut wood, and as you can see, all cats are made from different types of wood. If you like the 4 cats puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. And if you already bought this puzzle and spent a lot of time trying to solve it and didn't succeed, keep watching the video since I'm going to show you the solution. And now I will show you how to solve the puzzle. So first of all, we grab this dark color cat and put it right here on top. Then we grab this cat and put it right here. Then we grab this third large cat and put it into this corner. And now we have just enough space to put the small cat inside, and the puzzle is solved. As you can see, looks quite easy, but it is very difficult to find the correct solution since there are too many possibilities how you can put cats inside the frame and only one correct solution. If you like the 4 cats puzzle and you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Jean-Claude Constantin, go to puzzlemaster.ca. Thank you for watching. See you next time.